much for stopping by my open house. It was a great pleasure meeting you. Your feedback was so important to me as well. I want you to know that my client has decided to paint the entire house, and it's all because of your feedback. So thank you so much. This project will start on Wednesday and it will be completed on Saturday. So please stay tuned in for fresh and new pictures showing off this wonderful and beautiful paint job. If you would like to have a personal tour, feel free to reach out to me. I will be more than happy to show you the house once it's painted again. Now, you guys, it is time to see who our lucky winner is. Because you provided feedback, you were entered into a drawing to win a fabulous prize. So let's see who the lucky winner is. All right, let's see. So exciting. Ooh. All right, we have Mr. Reggie Carson, who has won the prize. He's actually a resident in the Stonewater community. Thank you so much, Mr. Carson, for stopping by. This is the gift that you have won. Congratulations. It is a beautiful fruit basket prepared just for you by Basket Delights. So I will definitely be in contact with you so that we can make arrangements so that you can have your gift. I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you who has stopped by. It truly meant a lot to me. Until we meet again, be blessed.